Welcome to 5th generation CNC technology. No thinking needed. No back-breaking work. Create beautiful products by just pressing a few buttons.
You need a quality CNC router, but don't want to spend the money on a top-of-the-line model. A quality CNC router is a big investment, and unless you plan on using it for heavy-duty work, you may not need all the features of a high-end model. CNC Factory has the perfect solution. Our top-of-the-line Laguna routers are available at an affordable price without sacrificing quality or performance. Chris Corrales, founder and CEO. Call us at 714-581-5999.